hop is my life. I can say that it's my life. Without music, I don't think I'd be here today. Music helps me express myself and stay out the streets, and it makes me want to do better in school because I see all these other young artists and stuff being successful.
I'm gonna say you that because your memories are still in my life, and they might say that you're gone, but it's because we made it home.
My favorite part of the hip hop is being able to express myself through lyrics and rhymes.
Y'all, what if y'all say it? Go. Ready? I'll tell your girl up, we beat the beat.
In my verses, I want everybody to understand like where I come from personally and like what I've witnessed in my life and everything that I've been through. I want to put that in my verses because I want to rap about stuff that's real.
We up in hip hop class, we getting real popping up on this mic. What? Yeah, y'all know we got bars. Don't ever try to diss us like we some cars. What? But I know we better than that. We on an expensive level. What you got to say about that? Yeah.
It affected my life because it made me want to change and realize my history of being an African American woman. Not only was it just the men that was out on the streets back in the day freestyling, having morning ciphers and afternoon ciphers on the corner, but it was also the female rappers too. Female rappers actually make a change.